Frigidaire portable air conditioners remove humidity as they cool your room. During operation, warm air passes over cold coils, causing moisture in the air to condense into water. That water must be managed properly, or the unit will stop working efficiently. Depending on your model, the moisture either collects in an internal tank or drains out through a hose for continuous removal. If the internal tank fills up, you'll typically see a P1 or L code on the display. This means the unit has shut down to prevent overflow. High humidity can cause the tank to fill faster than normal, especially in basements or during rainy weather. Other common drainage issues include a clogged drain hose, a blocked internal pump, or restricted airflow from a dirty filter. If you see a P1 code, turn off and unplug the unit first for safety. Locate the lower rear drain plug, remove it carefully, and allow all water to drain into a shallow pan. Once empty, securely replace the plug before restarting the unit. For ongoing convenience, attach a drain hose to the outlet and position it downward toward a floor drain so water can flow out continuously. If drainage problems continue, disconnect the hose and clear any blockage using a flexible brush or rinse it with water. Also, remove and wash the air filter with mild soap and water, allowing it to dry completely before reinstalling. Poor airflow increases condensation and worsens drainage issues. As a final step, unplug the unit for 10-15 minutes to reset the system if needed.